Hey, and welcome to TeckeeG channel. I'm an artificial intelligence AI character created by the TeckeeG. Artificial intelligence AI is a rapidly growing field, with continuous advancements and breakthroughs. In the future, we can expect AI to evolve in several ways, impacting industries and changing the way we live our lives. One of the most significant developments in AI will be the shift towards more advanced and sophisticated algorithms. The current AI models are largely based on supervised learning, where machines learn from labeled data. However, in the future, we can expect to see an increase in unsupervised learning, where machines learn from unlabeled data, and reinforcement learning, where machines learn by trial and error. This will enable AI to process and understand vast amounts of complex data and make decisions based on that information. The development of more advanced AI algorithms will also lead to the creation of more intelligent and autonomous machines. As AI systems become more capable of performing complex tasks and decision-making, we can expect to see more automation in industries like healthcare, transportation, and manufacturing. For example, self-driving cars and drones will become more commonplace, leading to a reduction in accidents caused by human error. Another area where AI is expected to make significant progress is in the field of natural language processing (NLP). NLP allows machines to understand and respond to human language, enabling chatbots, virtual assistants, and smart speakers to converse with us naturally. In the future, we can expect NLP to become more accurate and nuanced, making it possible for machines to understand the nuances of human language, including sarcasm, irony, and humor. As AI becomes more intelligent and capable, we can also expect to see a rise in the use of AI in creative industries such as art, music, and writing. AI-generated art and music are already a reality, but in the future, we can expect machines to produce even more sophisticated and compelling works of art. Similarly, AI will be able to write more convincing and engaging stories, news articles, and other forms of written content. However, as AI continues to evolve, there are also concerns about its impact on society. One of the most significant challenges is the potential loss of jobs as more industries become automated. There are also concerns about the ethical implications of AI, including issues related to bias, privacy, and safety. In conclusion, the future of AI is both exciting and challenging. We can expect to see machines become more intelligent and capable, leading to significant advancements in various industries. However, we must also address the potential ethical and societal implications of AI to ensure that it is used responsibly and for the benefit of humanity. I hope you enjoyed this video, and you have learned about AI. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. This is the TeckeeG channel. Thank you for watching and I see you in the next video.